Oh, ito. Pag-usapan naman natin, balikan lang natin mga ka-GP Natics dahil controversial pa rin naman ito dahil hindi po tayo pinapatigil nila Marcoleta. Diba? Dahil pwedeng mangyari kasi kapag halimbawa may nakuha silang 4 na numero na idadagdag sa kanila, balik na naman po. At ngayon ay pinagpipilitan ng mga DDS ilagay daw si Marcoleta, mga kababayan, bilang Blue Ribbon chairman na naman. Naku po. Aha. Wala na bang iba? Si Marcoleta na naman. Pero nagsalita ngayon itong mga dating Chief Justices na nagsabi kay Marcoleta dati na siya ay isang low rank, di ba? Sinabihan si Marcoleta. Ngayon meron na namang binabanggit at meron na naman pong inire-reveal ang mga ito na plano ni Marcoleta. Kaya po mga kababayan, gustong-gusto nito na ipasok ang mga diskaya sa protection program. Oh. Pakinggan nyo to.
Good point. Very good point.
We have to fight this kasi
yes,
ang strategy nila to become to fall under the witness protection program,
right,
as an ordinary witness or a state witness. But the effect of that is they're released from criminal liability and not subject to forfeiture anymore. And that means ma-legitimize yung kanilang ninakaw.
Yes.
No.
exactly.
So we have to keep on sending this message. Wag i-accept unless nag-surrender.
Nagkakandara pa sila ngayon na sumama sa witness protection
everybody.
para maging state witness. Dahil exactly yung sinasabi niyo, Justice, hindi lang sila hindi makukulong. Yung ninakaw nila ay
Ma-legitimize
hindi
pa,
kukulong.
At saka yun ang sinasabi ni Marcoleta, hindi kailangan mag-surrender. That will be part of the judgment of the court. Hindi nga pwedeng
kaya
kasi nakalagay sa batas you cannot be subject to forfeiture. Kaya everybody wants to be a state witness.
Kaya nga
Alam nyo ba, at the last minute, mga ka-GP Natics, yan pa rin yung ginagamit ni Marcoleta, yung restitution. Kahapon. Diba yung ginigisa nila si ex-Justice Mendoza doon sa COA appointment, mga kababayan, at hinaharang pa rin nila etong pagkakasali nitong si Boying Rimulya sa shortlist, and eventually, unfortunately sa kanila, ay biglang-bigla, mga kababayan, siya na pala ang itinalagang ombudsman. Oh, yan din ang pinagpipilitan ni Marcoleta kahapon, restitution, wala daw yan sa batas. Bakit daw ginawang ombudsman ang isang tao na naniniwala that you can sometimes bending the law? Yun ang sinasabi niya. Samantalang malinaw po sa Memorandum of Agreement ng Section 5 na yun ang pwedeng i-bargain ng opisyal sa Department of Justice na magbibigay sa kanila ng witness protection program.
Pinanatan siya ni Senator Ping Lacson. Bakit mo sila dinidepensahan? Sabi ni Senator Ping
May
Lacson.
bagong term, Sir Ronald, Diskaya diehard supporters.
DDS.
Nag-announce si Remulla na they have been they will be given protection as witnesses. I hope na hindi pa sila inaccept. Kasi formal yan. As an ordinary or state witness, magpipirma ka
Stop taking meeting notes and let ClickUp AI Note Taker do it for you. It allows you to focus on your meetings, not...
So ibig sabihin dito, magiging bad precedents, mga kababayan, kapag tinanggap ang mga diskaya sa witness protection program. So dapat ang susunod na papalit as DOJ Secretary, mga ka-GP Natics, ay talagang dapat ihinto itong nangyayaring ito sa mga diskaya.
Pero pwede kasi na kasama doon sa agreement, i-forfeit muna.
Yeah, dapat nasa agreement talaga yan.
Forfeit muna bago sila bigyan ng immunity.
Because if you don't do that, you cannot forfeit anymore. Because the law says you cannot be subject to forfeiture.
At lalong sasabog ang outrage sa mga tao. Then sila yung alam ng tao na icons of corruption
Yeah, kaya nga, let's say, si Diskaya, if they are now admitted as state witness, tapos hindi mo pinasauli, hindi mo na mahabol yung ninakaw nila.
Tama.
At pwede nila igalaw. They can circulate the money. They can use the money. They can...
That's why it has to be stopped eh. We have to raise hell eh. Na wag i-accept.
Yes, state witness.
Yes. Sabi nga ni Montulfo, isang senador
May 1
tumanggap
billion
ng
daw.
150 million no, para protektahan itong contractor na ito at madala as state witness. Si Montulfo yun kinuquote ko lang siya. Ang alam ko kasi hindi
umano.
Baka yung patawag ka ni Marcoleta.
Alam ko 1 billion.
At ang original na hiningi ay 1B.
Yeah, 1 billion.
1B.
Yung narinig ko. Yeah.
Yun yung original na hiningi. Nagsettle sa 250.
How is that decision made? Who becomes state witness? Is it a...
DOJ yun eh.
DOJ yun, di ba? Exactly.
Recommendatory lang.
So ano yung sinasabi niya naman, disbars them Remulla, yung tinitreaten ni... Marco, what is your take on the Independent
I
Commission?
think they should first read Oedipus
No light.
Rex. Oedipus Rex is admired as a king, admired for his integrity, and above all, for his burning desire to search for the truth, regardless of where it leads. In the case of Oedipus, he tried to himself. He was the one guilty, and he punished himself. That is the problem now of ICI. What if it leads to the king
Goes all the way, yeah.
in the search for truth? Will the king admit if the truth comes to him himself? Will he admit like Oedipus that he should blind himself and punish himself? That's the problem ICI faces.
Ang kaibahan sa Oedipus Rex.
Safe driving
wala siyang
muna,
vice
Nasus.
president na Sara. Yun yung
Yeah,
kaibahan.
that's a big challenge.
Pag umabot sa kanya at mag-resign siya, si Sara ang papalit. Yun yung kaibahan sa Oedipus Rex.
What about the ombudsman aspect, Justice Carpio? We discussed that for quite some time. And mukhang na-clear na si Remulla so far.
Yeah, they have to,
Mukhang yun ang purpose ng
Okay,
acting
itong usapan na to, this happened before, okay? Naalala ko na naman si Sad Boy. This happened before, okay? Wala na yung was, okay? Mali ako dun pala.
yeah, they have to appoint now because the ombudsman is critical here.
Yeah.
Because the impeachment is practically dead.
Oo.
But the ombudsman has the power to get the bank account records of every government official. Because when you file your SALN, nakalagay doon, I hereby authorize the ombudsman to verify my statement of assets and liabilities with the appropriate government agencies. One of those agencies is AMLA.
Right.
So, the ombudsman can ask the bank records of Vice President Sara. And then, lalabas yun, no? Of Duterte, the Duterte family. Because it's still there. The SALN of the president is still there. It can be verified. Wala pa namang the prescriptive period is not set in yet. So that's another
Important, yeah.
if the
Deus ex machina.
impeachment is now dead in the water because the Supreme Court has killed it, that's the other avenue.
For accountability.
Yes, for accountability. And that's the reason why Remulla is there.
And you, Justice Ascuna, how important...
And that's the reason also why Aimee and Pulong have filed cases
To stop him, yeah.
That's basically it. The battle there is for the bank records of VP Sara and the Duterte family.
Okay, mga kababayan, putulin ko